Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Ujjwal Tokas, a BSc nursing student, and in this video I am going to talk about what I learned from 2025. So this year has not been smooth for me. It had a lot of ups and downs, and there are a lot of things that I learned from this year. So I'm going to share my learnings one by one with you. By the way, I have made a list. So the first thing that I have learned from 2025 is sometimes a rejection is a redirection for you. So there was a time when I got a college initially in Muradabad when I was not getting any college in Delhi. So at that time I was broken and I really doubted myself a lot because the college I ended up was in UP, which I never thought about. So I really felt that life is unfair and nothing went as planned to me at that time. And I felt that, what wrong I have done in my life, or what wrong have I done in my preparation, that I didn't even got a college in my home state, Delhi. But after certain time, after a week or so, I got admission in one of a great college in Delhi, जहाँ की पोस्टिंग बहुत इंडिया टॉप नॉच हॉस्पिटल में होती है. इंडिया टॉप हॉस्पिटल विच इज सफदरजंग. हमारी पोस्टिंग लगती है एंड आई एम जस्ट ग्रेटफुल नाउ. सो व्हेन आई look back at that moments, I just feel grateful because I really think कि उस टाइम पे लाइफ was pushing me to become more aware about myself, to realize more about life, and life was just pushing me to move forward and how to deal with these situations. And I just feel grateful now for where I am today. Trust me, guys, when life throws you lemon, you might not be able to make a lemonade out of it, but sooner or later, you will have a taste of it. Another thing that I have learned, that being quiet doesn't mean that you're weak. So quietness isn't a symbol that you're weak, you're not confident enough to speak anything. It is something that comes with maturity. You are now understanding the things way more better. You are, thinking before speaking your words. You are able to understand the world more better. So silence doesn't mean that you're weak. It is a sign that you're growing. I have also realized that I am way more stronger than the version I used to be, because there were times when I used to feel completely tired. I didn't want to work. I was just lazy, but somehow still I showed up. Somehow still I have done my daily task. Somehow still I have talked with people. I have healed within myself. So I really think that I'm a way more stronger version of me than I thought I was. Another thing that I have learned, that growth is not dramatic. It is not loud. It is a silent process. It is a slow and steady process that occurs within you. So stop having this delusional thinking about growth as being more happier than ever, as being more excited than you used to be. Growth is something, it comes when you cry less. It also comes when you think before you speak. It also comes when you stop trusting anyone else so easily. So these are all the things that matter in your life now, and this is a sign that you're growing. So it is not loud, it happens within you, and it is not a fast process. It is a slow process that comes with the experience that you have in your life. So yeah, this was my learnings from 2025. I hope you learned something from my learnings, and I wish you all the best for the next year. Till then, thank you so much for watching my video, and bye bye.